Hey, beautiful. Dr. Dawn here from Mind Beauty Academy, and I just wanted to give you a shout out and say how amazing you are. I bet you're here because something drew you to the idea of starting your own successful permanent cosmetic career and to possibly get out of your dead end job and find your passion career. And also, let's not forget, make more money. You took action and clicked that learn more button for a reason, and just for following your instincts, I'm going to share with you my 3 tips to success that you can do right now to change that vector of your life and build your dream life. And guess what? It's not what you think, so stick around. I believe that your inner smart voice told you today was the day to make a change or you're going to implode. You cannot do one more day at a dead end job, a passionless career, and living on the razor's edge of money. It's just not that fun. You probably feel stuck or blocked by your current situation and you're trying to find another pathway, but you're not really sure what it is, okay? You want to wake up feeling energized instead, ready for the day, and feeling like you're kind of not working all day. Plus, money in the bank account is nice. You probably love makeup, maybe have a creative streak, a little bit artistic, but it's not being fueled right now. And trying to find the answer to solve these problems hasn't been easy. I know firsthand what it's like to leave a high-paying career as a chiropractor. I was miserable and stressed out. I had a huge practice that was killing me. My creative soul wasn't being used, and I was depressed and I lacked energy. I felt drained every day. Even though there were parts that I really loved about the career, I just couldn't see doing it the rest of my life. I also wanted more freedom. I wanted to have more time with my daughter, and I didn't want to work 70 hours a week. So I made the call, changed into medical aesthetics, and found permanent cosmetics. And I've never looked back. That was 10 years ago. And since then, I built a $1 million company and doing something I love and help gals just like you do the same, only faster and easier with a proven system. You can become a Vine certified cosmetic artist with my online 3D hybrid program. And you can do it at your own pace at home. And guess what? It actually works. We use these 3D robotic cameras in the course so it feels like you're in the live class with me. And you get to interact and you have coaching and mentorship. And we also have a private VIP group so you can build your career with support. And you can get there in little as 6 months when you finish the class. We also have the ability to help you with your business with the Profit Academy. Truly start to scale with no BS. Book your Build My Dream call now and let's have a chat about it and see if this is for you.